Now we finally got this lift to ourselves. Nice big Schindler from 1999. There's your capacity. One of the airport's terminal's original lifts. It's only hydraulic, which is disappointing. Wellington Airport's old Schindler M-Series has been replaced. So the buttons are now on this side. Oh, it's here now. I'm going to have to share it because it is busy. In you come. 5,500. Much quicker than the old lift. After you. Thank you, mate. Good, looks like I can get it to myself going up. So it only has the buttons on one side, whereas the old lift had the buttons on two sides, so that's a disappointment. Oh, okay. We'll take it down again as there's no one here. No voice, which is disappointing. I'm also disappointed that they still just had the standard centre open doors. I would have liked to have seen them widen the doors and put centre open 2-speed in, but never mind. There we go. And that'll be it. That's right, I'll hold the button for you, then you can get in. There it goes. And that's it.